Coffee maker. I can't start my day without using the coffee maker. Cutting shears. These cutting shears make it easy to trim herbs. Garlic press. Using a garlic press saves time and effort when cooking. Immersion blender. The immersion blender quickly purees soups and sauces. Meat tenderizer. The meat tenderizer helps to make tough cuts of meat more tender. Microplane. I grated some fresh nutmeg using the microplane. Pasta machine. Homemade pasta tastes even better when made with a pasta machine. Pastry brush. The pastry brush is essential for glazing pastries with egg wash. Potato masher. I used the potato masher to make creamy mashed potatoes. Salad spinner. After washing, the salad spinner removes excess water from the greens. Apple corer. The apple corer made it easy to remove the seeds and core. Cheese grater. I grated some fresh Parmesan cheese using the grater. Citrus juicer. The citrus juicer helped me extract the juice from lemons and limes. Egg separator. With the egg separator, I can easily separate the yolks from the whites. Herb scissors. These herb scissors made mincing fresh herbs a breeze.